finally we have reached to Chennai. So here is our bus. We are now in Coimbatore. Yeah, we'll update you soon. Hey guys, so we have reached our destination. Here is the Chennai Darbar. I'm going to show you the restaurant where we have a program. So people are there, they're moving forward to the hotel rooms to take some rest, freshen up. So we have the program by 11 o'clock. So we are moving towards the hotel room to take some rest and to have our breakfast. Until then, bye. Breakfast kaina phailai jak Tiprasarok bisingo ama khangse nungsa ya khom khom khum gade ko Tiprasarok breakfast kaina phailai jak talai nai white rice nai re white rice oro dong mai curd rice ke mana jantu oro mang lagta hai. Finally sung sok pai kya Chennai Darbaro nasdi oboka stage omoka hall taupana decoration team ro decorate khai tongko omoka hall ang nai so capacity 300 capacity room ni khai chairs rok tong tables rok yang tong nai Chennai Tiprasa Thansa, organized by Tripura People Foundation of Tiprasa. Hence meet venue Chennai Darbar Restaurant and Venkat Hall, Ashok Nagar 9th Jafar Khan Pate Main Road, Anjugam Nagar, West Jafar Khan Pate, Chennai 600083. 4th February 2025. Time angka 11 AM. Phungni 11 ni hoite. Bangalore. Jotono phailai di manjak phaidi 11 ta ni bisingo phai manjak phaidi jotono narokno sungna singjak jotono na singlaijak director phaijak bo rest khai tongo tabo phailai di jotono time moto malai lenai jotono baino hambai nai tongma bagai.